Well, the family of Matt Araiza, the former Buffalo Bill accused of gang raping a teenage girl, has broken their silence for the first time since the allegations came to light last week. Good evening, I'm Scott Levin.
And I'm Mary Alice Demler. In a statement tonight, Araiza's parents say their son has been extorted, discriminated against, and harassed since being named in the civil lawsuit. That statement says, in part, quote, "The rule of law is innocent until proven guilty. That is not our experience. There has been war waged on our son." And the family goes on to say the legal system is designed to find the facts and make decisions. They should be allowed to do that. Now, the alleged gang rape is said to have happened last fall, which Araiza was a member of the San Diego State University football team.
Now, the university's football program is now speaking for the first time as well. Athletic Director John David Wicker and head coach Brady Hoke did not comment on the ongoing investigation, but they did say they hold their players to the highest standards.
Under no circumstance would we ever support an environment that supports abusive behavior.
I can guarantee you that it's intolerable for what has been reported.
And tonight, some are still questioning whether the Bills dropped the ball in hiring Araiza and then letting him go. Joining us now for some legal analysis and perspective is Buffalo attorney Frank Lotempio Jr.
Frank, thanks for joining us. Now, we did learn over the weekend that Jane Doe's attorney contacted the Bills organization back in July with these accusations. Should the Bills have parted ways with Araiza back then?
I think the Bills did the right thing by investigating this further, and I think that at the point in time in July, they got a call from an attorney who tells them that there's an accusation out there with no criminal charges within the last 10 months after this incident and no civil case. So I think what they did, look, if someone called me with that personal, with that information, I would say, well, look, I'll look into it, but I don't know what to do with it right now.
Well, obviously, Frank, things changed when they filed the civil suit and then they released it in the public domain for everyone to read. And the community's reaction to the allegations on social media was fast and furious. Do you think the Bills organization potentially underestimated the community reaction? And do you think that was a major reason why they let Araiza go?
I don't think there was a major reason. I think you have a rookie punter, somebody who is, I'm not going to say he's not important to the team, but it's a rookie punter in a pivotal year. And this team talks about culture. And I don't think that they want anything to interfere with this important season.
Let me ask you, is there a takeaway here? Is there a new standard now? Is this a wake-up call for players and pro sports organizations?
I think as a society, we've gone from, innocent to proven guilty to guilty until proven innocent. I think it's, look, if this is true and these accusations are true, it's horrible. If this is what her attorney says, it's a shakedown, it's horrible. No one's life will ever be the same after these. I think we have to let the process play out. And I tell that to everybody. Look, there's a reason we have a judicial system, both criminally and civilly. This is where these questions should play out, and that's where they should stay.
Local Buffalo attorney Frank Lotempio. Frank, as always, we appreciate you joining us tonight.
Thank you.
And you can hear more from Frank Lotempio Jr. and read the Araiza family's full statement on WGRZ.com. And be sure to stay with Channel 2 over the coming weeks as this story develops. We'll have the latest updates on air and online and on our streaming app, WGRZ+.